Thank you so much for having me here. It's really a pleasure. It's great to meet you all. Giving an eye on the time, I can see we're almost at the top of the hour. So if you missed the presentation and you want to contact me, don't hesitate to reach out. Find me on LinkedIn, ping me by email. Happy to chat with everybody. So I'll try and keep it short. So Vivici is a Dutch startup company making dairy proteins by fermentation. We are part of the growing community of companies trying to make proteins in a more sustainable and ethical way. And our mission is really to move the protein transition along, and doing so by making that promise of protein from precision fermentation a commercial reality to meet that world's growing need for nutritious, functional, and of course sustainably produced proteins. The team is quite an experienced team. We all come from food. We all come from biotech, or food ingredients and biotech, I should say. So we really got together in Vivici to try and drive, this challenge of how do we make this a commercial reality, not just a technological reality, which it is already since many years, but really a scalable commercial reality. And we hope we can bring some of that experience to the table to drive that. The focus will be initially on whey proteins like beta-lactoglobulin and lactoferrin. These are really nice ingredients from nature. They're sort of mother's best nutrition. They have amazing nutritional and functional properties. So we felt that this is a good place to start, and we will be commercializing these two products first, but then of course hope to expand into other proteins as well, and hope to of course collaborate a lot with other protein players and try to see what we can do in terms of hybrid solutions and synergies between ingredients. So we are a company that's really open to working with others, because we feel that it's going to take a team, it's going to take an ecosystem to succeed in this. We'll focus on sort of the premium whey segment to start with, not on the very bulk low cost whey. We'll start with the really premium ingredients. We'll focus on high value markets like health and wellness, like dairy alternatives, like meat and fish analogs. Again, we're trying to make this a commercial reality, which means that ultimately being sustainable isn't good enough. You have to be profitable as well. So that's why we pick our markets very carefully. And last but not least, we try to, on the one hand, really innovate along the entire value chain, because if you want to do this, you have to lift quite a deep value chain. But as I said, again, we are very keen to collaborate with any technology innovators along the value chain, and try to make this work as such. So very briefly, we're still a fairly small team. We're 14 people. We're 18 months old. We're based in both Delft and in Ede, and I'll stop here to see if there are any questions.